Hey everyone, we're going to go over muscles of the abdominal wall, as well as the muscles that help you erect, stand up straight, your back, your vertebral column. First, I want to quickly point this out. This model has a much more visible sternocleidomastoid. Well, I guess this one too. But it's called the sternocleidomastoid because it's connected to the mastoid process of the temporal bone, to the clavicle, that's the cleido part, and to the sternum. So there's 3 attachment points. Sternocleidomastoid. When we get to the abdomen, muscles of the abdominal wall, these are muscles, as you hopefully know, these are muscles that are used to flex your lumbar vertebrae, to do things like sit-ups and crunches. Get those 6, 8-pack abs. Like the epicranial aponeurosis, the frontalis is connected to the occipitalis. All the abdominal muscles are connected and covered by an aponeurosis. So this is the abdominal aponeurosis. It's shown here. It's been removed on this half. Abdominal aponeurosis. This line here is the fusion of all those special tendons, as well as these. But this midline, that's called the linea alba. Literally white line, linea alba. You can see that these muscles, the ones that form your 6-pack, as well as your lower abdominal muscles, they're straight. The term for straight is rectus. So these are the rectus abdominis muscles. Rectus abdominis. And they're pretty superficial. If we go to the outside lateral portion and still superficial, we have these muscles, they're going a bit down and in. The technical term for that would be inferomedial, down and in. These inferomedial muscles, those are the external obliques. External obliques. Besides helping you flex your lumbar vertebrae, they also help you rotate your trunk so you can turn left and right with your spine. Or you can laterally flex. You probably know that your oblique's best for laterally flexing. Rectus abdominis, external obliques. If we peel away the external obliques, we'll see the next muscle. And rather than going down and in, they're going up and in. So these are, the orientation of this is superomedial. These ones going up and in, these are the internal obliques. External is superficial, internal is a little bit deeper. Internal obliques, also for trunk rotation and lateral flexion. If you keep going, if you remove those internal obliques, you will find one more set of muscles. So once again, we've gone from external obliques, peel that away, we see the internal obliques. The deepest layer is going horizontal, left-right, on either side. The deepest layer, we have 1, 2, 3 layers. The deepest layer is called the transverse abdominis. External oblique, internal oblique is the middle, transverse abdominis. External oblique goes down and in, inferomedial. Internal oblique goes up and in, superomedial, transverse abdominis, left, right. To help you, so all those muscles are for flexing your lumbar vertebrae to flex your vertebral column. If you want to extend your vertebral column, if you want to stand up straight, you need muscles that are attached to the vertebrae and are going all the way along the spine. So you can only see it right here. They're hiding behind the trapezius, they're hiding behind the rhomboids, they're hiding behind the latissimus dorsi here. It's the latissimus dorsi. So behind all of that, these muscles that go up and down, collectively, they're called the erector spinae group. So they are divided into different groups, but we'll just put them all together. Collectively, these are known as the erector spinae group. They help you extend your vertebral column and help you maintain posture. Your latissimus dorsi. Latissimus means wide, and you can see how wide this muscle is. This is just 1/2, and it's hiding behind the trapezius. So it starts here, goes across, attaches to the humerus, comes down here. Latissimus dorsi also helps with extending your vertebral column. The erector spinae and the latissimus dorsi, they attach to this iliac spine, and you form this fascia here. This is the lumbar fascia. So this is connective tissue, dense, regular, that's holding all of your muscle together and protecting it. Lumbar fascia. Your abdominal muscles, rectus abdominis, external, internal, transverse, external, internal obliques, and transverse abdominis, they flex your vertebral column. You have two other muscles that flex your vertebral column. This muscle here and this muscle here. This is our rack of ribs model, so we're looking pretty deep. We've had to remove a bunch of things, your intestines, all that good stuff, and we're looking deep to all of that. This is an anterior view. And so there's this muscle that attaches to your vertebrae and comes down to your coxal bone. This is the psoas major. Psoas is spelled P-S-O-A-S. Psoas major. And this one that's sitting inside of the iliac fossa, so it would be right here. This one sitting inside of the iliac fossa, that's your iliacus. Together, the psoas major and iliacus, that gives you your iliopsoas group. The iliopsoas group is also great for flexing your vertebral column. So they are antagonists also to the erector spinae.